center willing magtuturo sa kanulakan kulasi kang computer lang kundi US. Ang mga mga programs pala sa treasury natin, sa assessor, kapag sa din, ang atin nga banwa mag-computerize ng daan, no? Ang atin nga pagbayad ng buwis sa lupa, pero atin pag-awad ng mga business permits. So, sa permit ko kapabalila, naghapit ako sa National Computer Center. Nag-inquire ako. Pag-inquire ko na mayor, tapos niya. Wala rin niya programa dyan ng National Computer Center. Pero bisahan nga naghambal sanda, na wala rin, wala magdura ang kanya no? Nag-search pagid ako sa computer man sa laptop ko sa opisina kung paano pagid ang ma-avail ng ating banwa. Kaya piring with sa ating eskwelahan na Vicente Javier Memorial College. Pagpunto ko nakita, nag-imo ko pa proposal, no? May nakita ko dyan ang e-center na dyan. So, sa padayon ko nga balik-balik, pag pirmin na kita, natakan ta sa itsura ko, na ikaw na naman. Sige, nabigyan ka namin. Amorya, wala magbuhay, nagsabat ang National Computer Center na tubuhan kita kang ang yung mga unit. So, lagi-lagi, yung punta ko si Mrs. Siling Puson, na aking tinutuyo, ito bro rin dyan sa ating eskwelahan. So, this time, we will be holding the graduation of the first batch of LGU Kulasi Vicente Javier Memorial College Community E-Center graduates. After the launching of our E-Center last December 12, 2012, the need of our people to learn the electronic education through computer operation has been materialized. Our vision in connecting and empowering communities through this Community Electronic Center is a dream come true. And I am happy today seeing the graduates that they answered our call to make Kulasi an E-Center community in order ng tiki. Of course, with a partnership and interim cooperation with the staff of Vicente E. Javier Memorial Community College with able management of your brilliant CEC manager, Mrs. Siling Puson. Daw ang sanurang natin, ng administrasyon, kagkadya, nagbunga. Ren, paagi sa ating mga first batch of graduates. Nakadya, may bugal na mga baton, kang andang mga diploma. As I emphasize, next week program for education is the internet. That is why we have to be prepared to take advantage of it. The primary goal of education has not changed despite the new technology. The challenges for everyone remain the same, and that is to make students love learning on their own. The application of information technology to classroom instruction would increase efficiency in the teaching and learning process and enhance student competency. It also proposes the implementation of an integrated distance learning program that would allow students from domestic and foreign and private schools to engage in exercising of knowledge and expertise in their respective courses via satellite communication. That would also allow our professors to learn the latest innovative trends in education to improve their teaching skills. In view of this, as Chairman of the Board of Trustees and the Mayor of this municipality, and in behalf of the people of Kulasi, I am extending my congratulations to all the graduates and my high corporate thanks to all men and women, particularly to Mrs. Siling Puson, our CEC manager, who painstakingly shares her time and energy in achieving this noble project for our students and the constituents in general. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Tama ka klaro, no?